What I want to do right now is take a look at Prelude. Prelude is a way of sending alerts from a few different types of intrusion detection systems into a single place so that you've got one location to store them. Now, I have installed various Prelude components here, and I can show you which ones are actually installed. I'm on an Ubuntu system here, and if I just search for Prelude, we've got Prelude Correlator, Prelude Log Agent or Prelude LML, Prelude Manager, and Prelude Notify. We've also got some additional components that would have to be installed with libraries and so forth. But I just want to show you Prelude at the moment and how we would get the Log Manager agent registered to the Prelude server. The first thing I need to do is run as administrator, prelude-admin, register, and we're going to register Prelude LML. So we need to register all of our agents into the Prelude server. Now I need to give permissions for alerts. So I'm going to say write, and then admin is going to get read privileges here, and then that's 127.0.0.1 is going to be my local host here. I'm going to just say yes here, and it's going to generate a key. Now it's looking for a one-shot password. So what I need to do is go to another window here, and I am going to run this command right here. That's going to generate me a one-time password that's going to allow me to complete the registration. If I just run this, and I need to be administrator here, it's asking for the password on the other window. This is the password it's looking for. So we'll go back over here, paste it in, and it should ask me to verify. So I'm going to paste that in again. Now we have succeeded with the authentication, and we're going to connect to the registration server. And over here, we've got to approve the registration. Now we have successfully registered the log manager into our Prelude admin. And you would do the same thing with other agents that you wanted to connect into your Prelude system. You would have to register them and go through the process of key generation and then getting them associated as we did here. There are places that you can go for additional configuration here. For example, if we go into Prelude Manager, there's a configuration file there. If we go up into Prelude-LML, there's configuration files here as well. In addition, there's rule sets. So if we were to look at the rules, there would be rules related to the various services that are on this particular system. So for example, we could take a look at sudo rules here. I'm going to look at the sudo rules. You can see we've got rules that are related to what it's going to look for in the log files. And this is going to tell Prelude LML what it's going to be looking for and how it's going to alert on it. So Prelude is another thing that you can have on your system that's going to help you manage different components like intrusion detection systems like Snort and, again, like this Prelude log manager, Prelude LML.